Concert YouTube channel Empire. Thank you all for keeping up with us, and Happy New Year from me to you all. I think this is my first video for this year. A lot has really happened, and it was really tight for me to create a video and all of that. But notwithstanding, I was seeing your comments, you're checking on me and all of that. I really appreciate that. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. Today's video, I'm just going to tell you all a little bit of what has been happening, why I was away for many weeks. Like you all know before, our upload date is always every Tuesday, once a week. And I was even trying to upgrade my upload to 2 times a week, but something sudden just happened that we never expected. But thank God we are trying to go over it now, and by the special grace of God, He will continue to strengthen us and make us strong. So happy new year from me to you all. This year 2023 is going to be an interesting year, a wonderful year. A lot of laws have changed in YouTube. When you check the community guidelines, there are lots of changes, and yes, so we are going to all move with the change and accept the change and master the change. So this year 2023, you are going to be seeing more of me. I will really invest my time more on tutorials, and I will be more often communicating with you all in my community. So if you are here and you've not been going through my community, please always try to go there, because I normally put lots of updates there, upcoming video, checking on you guys, a post, and all other interesting things. So if you have not been checking my community, please always do. And sometimes I also share a lot of interesting video from other YouTubers there, what we all can learn from, or what you can also find helpful and interesting. Yeah, so this year I'm going to be more on tutorial and more communication, more interaction. And please guys, when you watch my video and you find something not really clear to you, or you see something that you want a different way, or that you want to know more when the tutorial is not detailed enough, please don't hesitate, put it on the comment section. We are all growing together. When the communication is there, then I can really know what the audience really wants. Till now, the communication ways is good. I'm not complaining. It's really impressive. So I really appreciate you all, because I get lots of comments, and yeah, I'm really blessed to have you all. So that's will be the look of 2023, what to expect from this channel. So, and I will be posting a lot of shorts as well, because I think shorts is recommended by YouTube. Shorts is more, it brings more audience to the channel, and like lots of people, they are not really into sitting and watching long video. but I'll try as much as possible to always summarize my video, my tutorial video, at least as short as possible. When I find it's going to be very, very long, I can also share it into different parts, like a part 1 and part 2. So if you find that idea okay, please guys put it on the comment section, and I will be fully back. I'll be fully back from February, but I'll be giving little or such updates like this, and to keep my audience informed and to know what is about to come. Once again, I want to apologize for going long time away, and yeah, I want to tell you, thank God we are still here for each other, and expect more of me and constant me in February. So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any other thing you want to ask me, you want to know, put it on the comment section and I will definitely come to it. Once again, thank you. Happy New Year from me to you all. Stay blessed, stay protected. Is our year of all-round blessing, our year of divine favor, our year of completeness. Everything you have been hoping and believing God on this year, you are going to fulfill all in the name of Jesus. Thank you all so much. Your love is massive. You're concerned. You're checking on me. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay protected. I remain your girl, Mengi M and SBT Concept Empire. Thank you.